25th October 2021, and we are back to school, back to our classrooms where we are going to dance, where we are going to sing, and we are going to learn. How difficult were the days in the past 2 years? But then, who cares? Life has given us a wonderful chance to learn and share. The pandemic is over, and there we are, still maintaining the safety rules and getting on to what we do best. Learn. Learn with all our body, mind, and soul. So, children, relax. Relax and see how beautiful the universe has been and how kind it is to us. We are back to school. East West has resumed its activities and the classroom is buzzing.
Good morning everyone, I am Kavya Gajendran from 5th A East West Public School. Welcome to you all to school. Let us this time we shall fight against this corona by coming out of our houses and studying more in our school. I would like to come to school. I like to talk and enjoy with my friends. I am Kavya the dancer. Thank you.
Yes, dear. So, how do you feel coming back to school? And what's your name? I think I've forgotten your name. Tell
My
me.
name is K. Shreyas and I'm studying in 5th A EWPS.
And what does that EWPS stand for?
East West Public School.
Oh, we are in East West Public School. Right. So, how was your lockdown? Did you enjoy classes during?
No, I didn't like lockdown. My God, it was a big headache.
It was a big headache. So now that you have come back to school, how do you feel?
I love school.
Yes.
And more, I love English lab. My favorite subject, English lab.
Now, can you please read the message that you have for us?
Okay. I would like to come to school in the 3rd or 4th standard when the corona started, or all the like corona, delta, fungus, all the funguses.
Okay, all the viruses.
Yeah, but what happened is the lockdown. Because of lockdown, we didn't had so many, we didn't had school. We
But
very
now how
bored at
is it?
home.
I know you were very bored at home. So could you please express your joy of coming back to school? What have you written there?
The most thing is I love English lab subject. For when I would before very be scared to do videos on camera, in front of camera.
But no, okay, fine, that's okay. But then how express your joy of coming back to school, not just in the English lab? That is more important, right?
When I come to school before, I was I would not go outside of my house. I was inside of the house. Now when we are coming to school, I forgot all the place around my house, and now I am coming to school and I am getting to know how to come to school. And
Are you happy
Yes,
to get
ma'am,
back
I'm
to
very
school?
happy.
That is more important. That is the most important thing that I want to know. Thank you so much, Shreyas.
thank you.
What a lovely poster of Diwali. Oh my God. Oh, it's not Diwali. I thought it was Diwali. Oh, it is Diwali in some way because you are welcoming us all back to school. It is definitely a celebration, right?
Yes, it is definitely celebration.
Yes. Say it once again, darling.
Yes, it is definitely a celebration.
So could you just read to us what you have written, darling?
Yes, sure. Welcome to school to everyone, teachers. I like to come to school. I was waiting to come. Then the school opened for 1 to 5th standard. The school is the best place to study and enjoy. I like to wish my teachers and my friends.
That's lovely.
Yes, I too come to school. I am happy to come to school.
Wow, that's nice. You're very happy. So
Yeah.
all the time imagine you can do whatever you wish. That's a lovely message, Vishal. You're wearing on your t-shirt. Tea messages. That's nice. And let's see the flower. Wow, the hibiscus. Nice, nice. Very nice. Lovely. Thank you, Vishal.
Thank you.
Hello, young lady. And it's nice to see you back in school.
Yes, it is very nice to see you again. I really love coming to school and I would love to wish and welcome everyone back to school. It has almost been 2 years without seeing my friends. I was so lonely at home and
So-
I was so bored.
So you have written a lovely message. So can you just read it out for us?
Yes, of course. Welcome back to school. I am very happy to see my friends after so long.
And why were you so long not in touch with your friends?
As I didn't have a very few of my friends' numbers.
Okay, and then why were we all locked up at home?
Because of a very deadly virus named COVID-19.
Oh, really? Isn't it? Life was absolutely a standstill.
Yes.
And now it's a burst of colors and a lot of different noise and sound, isn't it?
Yes.
So we have a celebration now, even before Diwali. Isn't it?
Yes.
Right? Dum 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 dum. The crackers are. Oh. Thank you, Anaga. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Chakrika, you have colors around you. Oh my God. And show me what have you written? What have you written, darling?
I have written my response to coming back to face school.
Wow, sad. Yes, what have you written? Just read it out to us.
I have written that now the online school was started. I was pretty happy because school was done. But slowly and slowly it became boring. But now I could not focus at all because I was only staring at a computer. But now I'm very happy because I can come back to face school and I can talk to my friends and I can listen more better. And now I can also do crafts with English lab. I am very happy for schools to reopen. Thank you.
That's wonderful to have you back, Chakrika, and it's nice that we are able to organize our thoughts and implement it within the classroom. So the classroom is the best place to go grazing.
Yes, and it is also a great place to brainstorm with the teachers.
Thank you so much. That's a wonderful thought actually. Human touch, the human touch.
Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Milanas Gowda, 5th A East West Public School. Today I am going to do my English lab activity about telling a short paragraph about this pandemic.
Well, are you going to tell me about the pandemic or how you feel coming back to school after the pandemic?
I would like to come school because school is the best place to study, enjoy with friends. It been 2 years. The pandemic is gone very long, being a very long time.
Could you meet your friends during the pandemic?
No,
But how do you feel when you have come back to school?
I feel very much good because I meet every friends everywhere.
Okay, that's nice. So are you happy? Are
Yeah,
you excited?
I'm happy and excited.
And are you ready to contribute to your learning?
Yeah, I'm
Are
ready
you-
to contribute in
And-
my learning.
Very good. Are you ready to explore?
Yeah, I like to explore.
Are you ready to give your best?
Yeah, I like to give.
Are you ready to help your friends to give their best?
Yeah, I'll help every friend.
That's nice. Thank you, Milan. Thank you so much. So Zamir has come to me with his little reaction and response to his joy. Oh, yes. Peep, 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 Zamir. Peep from the side of your book. That's so nice, Zamir. Yes, darling. Read it. Read. How do you feel coming back to school?
I feel very exciting and I enjoyed the first day when I came to the school. Welcome back to the 5A ICSE East West Public School. I and my friends enjoyed the day when we came to the school. I am Zami, the artist. This was our first English lab period, and this was our first English lab assignment too. We all like to come to school. Thank you.
East West Public School, the English Lab, it's ready to roll the dice. And this is Grace Sitaraman, International Coordinator, East West Public School, Subramanian